Hello everybody, this is Leah here. I'm super pumped to be able to share with you this quick workshop on Google Workspace for planning. And this is a workshop for faculty and staff. We are going to be covering our framework of the 4 disciplines of execution so that we can all actively participate in our planning and documentation of our progress as a school. The work that you are doing is so important. We want to make sure that it gets documented and that also we're kind of keeping pace with what we kind of told middle states and have agreed on with the board is really the pace of the movement that we should be making on our goals. So let's go ahead and get started. So the very first thing is it's always helpful to start with a framework, and the framework that we're going to go forward with to start is called the 4 Disciplines of Execution. It was created by Franklin Covey, but more specifically, there are 3 authors that are kind of tied to the 4 disciplines. One of those is Chris McChesney, who's here. There's another author, last name Hewling, and then the other author is Covey, but not the Covey you're probably familiar with. It's his son, Stephen. So Sean's son, Stephen, collaborated to kind of continue on the work of his father. And the 4 disciplines of execution, we're just going to cover those here very quickly. There is a video on this site, so if you want to go to franklincovey.com/the4disciplines with some dashes in there. I do have that linked on the training document as well, but just so we could see them all on a screen, very easy framework, and that's why we went with it. The first thing is to focus on what's wildly important right now. What is the top goal that we should all be focused on right now? Let's not necessarily think about what's coming up in the future. Let's focus on one thing at a time. So focus on the wildly important. And every person at the school might be focused on different wildly important goals, but there aren't 20 of them going on at one time. We might just have a few, and then every person has that one they're focused on at a time. The second discipline is act on the lead measures. So the authors talk about how most organizations focus on the lag measures. We have 259 students enrolled, but really we should be focused on the lead measures. What is everybody doing at the school in order to increase that enrollment? So we are helping to improve the curriculum. We are doing more outreach at different schools, in order to get more feeder schools involved. We're doing more marketing and communications in the community. Those are lead measures. That's what matters in order to help us to impact the lag measure. So that is discipline number 2. Discipline number 3 is to keep a compelling scoreboard, that we have to know that we're winning somehow. And where can we all see that in one place? And I'm going to show you what our scoreboard looks like. The 4th thing is to create a cadence of accountability so that we're kind of regularly meeting around these goals. We don't just forget about them, that every month we're sort of coming back and revisiting these are our goals. So those are the 4 disciplines of execution, and that's what we're trying to sort of emulate here in our progress and our process moving forward. I do want to say that our cadence of accountability is really emphasized through having WIG meetings. WIG is wildly important goals, and so we host these meetings regularly in order to create a rhythm and a cadence of accountability. So we hope that these meetings will occur at time and at least monthly. It should be no more than 20 minutes, and they're just going to focus on what is on this scoreboard. So this scoreboard can be found inside of the Timon drive, and if we go to planning at Timon, we'll see the Timon planning tracker there. The planning tracker looks like this. Google every once in a while throws up one of these fancy little notifications if you need help. I'm just going to collapse using this menu up at the top, collapsing little button in order to make this big screen for you. So on one of these tabs, we have what has been identified by the board as our strategic planning goals. And you'll see that the priorities that have been set in the strategic plan are up at the top. And then also there is an area responsibility column for all of the, and that is a drop down for the committees that have been identified. And then also the priorities have been assigned to each one of these goals. The goals is in the next column. Also our due dates. So we're kind of looking far out in terms of these due dates currently. And then what initiatives, if there are specific sort of lead measures that are going to help us inch towards those goals, what are those? And then what's our progress so far on those? Who's our responsible school party? You can see we still have a lot to fill out here, but at least we are making some progress on these. And anyway, notes, evidence links. So once we get some evidence, such as pictures or things like that, we pop them into a folder. Now you're going to notice back in Google Drive that in that planning at Timon, there is a strategic planning and also a middle states objectives folders. That's where we can place our evidence. And we already started to create folders for those evidence priorities that are in there. All right, so let's head on over to MSA because that, I think the most amount of people at Timon are really involved in some of these. You'll recognize these from our middle states work, and we have our objectives up at the top. Similarly to that first tab here, our objectives have been laid out. We've also indicated what our strategy is from our middle states document, and then the specific initiative or that lead measure that's working. We've identified a due date. You're going to see that these are color-coded, so something that is immediate is in green. And we're going to also look at the progress. So what is our progress so far in this? That doesn't mean that there hasn't been any progress. It's just it hasn't been updated in here. So if you happen to be one of these responsible school parties, Brandon, come on in here and update that under progress. All right, then we also have indicator of success, and then what that means once we've achieved it, or what exactly spells out success for us, where we can say what's our progress and our progress is finished. That's what we're looking for. And then what resources were needed. So all these things were really spelled out on our middle states doc. This is where we're doing our tracking. This is what we're going to meet around, and I am super pumped about that. So let's head on back. The other thing to note is I do have a Google Workspace for documenting workshop. You're happy to take a look at that. But just real quick, just so we could tuck it in this tutorial as well, Google Workspace as a whole, we've just been in Google Drive so far, but if you click on your little hamburger icon, once you log into google.com using your your Timon login, you'll see this hamburger up the top of your Google screen, and these are all of the many different available collaboration and online storage tools that Google has available for your account. So while you might not see yourself using too many of these in the first year, feel free to venture out. There might be a time when you have to have a virtual meeting, and you can use Google Meet for that. There might be a time when you want to use something like Google Classroom with one of your clubs, and feel free to try that out as well. So that is the very basics of our work that's going to be done with planning. Super excited about that. And if you have to upload, the very last thing, if you happen to upload any files to here, you can click on New, and you could do a file upload, such as if it's a picture of something that's going on or a video or audio file. You can also upload any kind of document to these folders for evidence. You can also create new files as well, such as a document in order to document what's going on. All right, if you have any questions, please let me know, but I look forward to helping us track and plan.